Mm.
They like what they see. Mm. Should now ready for peeling off, basically. So the Digitizer wires out. See, nails are good.
Any idea how he actually cracked it like that?
I believe he just dropped it in a bar or something. Because it's this bit we need out.
Yeah, if you know anyone that does this type of thing, you don't want to stand there and watch them do it.
No.
Because you might just panic.
Innit? Some of the things that you have to do to some of these phones actually scares people.
Like that.
Yep. Well, that would worry some people, but as you can see, it's separating at the bottom. Nice and slowly. That is, as you can see.
Perfect.
And Digitizer off. LCD, nice and clean. That will be replaced with a brand new one. Which here's your brand new Digitizer. As you can see, looking good, looking identical. Except the cracks, obviously. Now it's time to get all this old tape off.
Does it come with its own tape on the thing then?
No, we have to use our own adhesive. Another thing you also need to do is make sure you get all the little bits of glass off, because if you push the screen back on and there's glass on it, it'll just straight crack your new screen.
Ah.
There's a little word of warning for you if you're going to do your own one.
Mm.
Oh, this tape off. You can put some nice clean fresh tape on. I usually use some adhesive remover to do this, but it's just as easy just to a little splodger across the edge and peel it off. A lot of people would reuse this, but I don't believe it's right. I believe if you're doing a job, you do it properly.
Mm.
And you put your own new tape on. I guarantee it sticks. Because the last thing you want is an unhappy customer.
Yep. At the end of the day, if you've got an unhappy customer, you're bollocks.
Yep. It's all about reputation, word of mouth.
Yeah.
That's how I like to do my work. We're also going to start up a postal service for people not in our area, offering extreme discounts to send them to us instead of your locals. Because I've noticed a lot of shops overcharge for everything.
Yeah.
Like you buy a laptop keyboard, for instance. They're about £15 you can get them for on eBay. Computer shops are charging you £110. Takes them 20 minutes to fit them. So contact us at www.facebook.com/DeesTechRepairs for more information.
Don't forget to give him a big warm YouTube welcome.
Say hi to Scalper Hero while you're at it. For all my graphics and video editing. So if you need any decent graphics doing for your new business or anything like that, there'll be a link on my website very soon. where you can contact Scalper and he can do all your GFXs for you.